Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 3 is the distance formula to find the distance between 2 points. It says the square root of x sub 2 minus x sub 1 squared plus y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared. And the problem says find the distance between the points negative 6, 1 and 3, negative 5. So I'm going to call negative 6, 1 my first point. That would make negative 6 the first x-coordinate and 1 the first y-coordinate. And I'm going to call 3, negative 5 my second point. And so 3 is the second x-coordinate and negative 5 is the second y-coordinate. And now I'm going to substitute. So I would have the square root of the second x-coordinate is 3 minus the first x-coordinate is negative 6. So I have the minus from the formula and the negative on the 6. The opposite of a negative, or dash dash, means plus, and so that will be 3 plus 6 squared, plus the second y-coordinate is negative 5, minus the first y-coordinate is 1, and that will be negative 5 minus 1 squared. So now I'm going to simplify it. I would have the square root of 3 plus 6 is 9 squared, plus negative 5 minus 1 is negative 6 squared. And then I'll square each of those numbers. 9 squared is 81, plus negative 6 squared is 36. 81 plus 36 would give me the square root of 117. And now I have to see if I can simplify this square root, which I can, because there's a perfect square factor of 9. And so the square root of 117 is equal to the square root of 9 times the square root of 13, and since 9 is a perfect square, the square root of 9 is 3. So the distance between those 2 points would be 3 times the square root of 13.